wabarakatuh. I am Putra Ula Ramadhani Hasri from class A24 in English Education Study Program. In this video, I will explain my teaching material in Pedagogy of Listening course. In this part, we will use video learning, the function of the video to show the story visually, help students understand the plot more easily, and make the learning process more interesting. The video is also connected to the material because it presents the story in a visual way, help students follow the plot clearly, and keep them engaged during the lesson. It also helps students remember the story better can both see and hear the information. In addition, video can make abstract part of the story easier to understand by showing clear action and expression. It also super different learning style, especially for students who learn better through visual and audio materials overall. Using video makes the lesson more dynamic and helps students stay confused from beginning to the end. In this lesson, there are several learning objectives. First, students are expected to understanding the story and overall meaning. Second, they will identify the main ideas in each part of the story. Third, students will recognize the text structure, such as the beginning, middle, and ending. Finally, they will learn new vocabulary from the story to improve their language skill. This objective helps students not only understanding the text better, but also improve their reading and conversation skill. In addition, students will be encouraged to think critically about the story and share their ideas during the lesson.
Prince Tan Bun An then ordered his men to go back to China to relay the news to his parents and to ask them to send gifts for Princess Siti Fatima's parents. Several weeks later, a big ship came from China. Prince Tan Bun An's men stepped down from the ship and reported to their master that they had brought the gifts. Prince Tan Bun An quickly climbed on board to see the gifts. How disappointed he was when he saw that the ship was full of vegetables and fruits. He expected his parents would send ceramics and jewelry as the gifts for Siti Fatima's parents. Upset and angry, Prince Tan Bun An threw all the vegetables and the fruits into the river, not realizing that there was gold and jewelry inside. Regretful of his stupidity, he threw himself into the river and tried to get them back. He swam and dived here and there. He became exhausted and weak, and finally drowned in the big river. Hearing about the horrific incident, Princess Siti Fatima ran to the river and plunged herself into the water. Their bodies were never found. However, not long after the incident, a small new island appeared in the middle of the river. People believed that the island was the couple's graveyard. They call the island Pulau Kemarau.
Narrative text usually has three main parts. The first, orientation, which introduces the characters, place, and time of the story. The second is complication, which is the problem or conflict in the story. The third is resolution, which is explain how the problem is solved. In this section, we will do several learning activities. First, we will read the story to understanding the content and the plot. Second, we will learn about the structure of the story, such as the beginning, middle, and ending. Next, we will discuss the story together to share our ideas and understanding. Finally, we will answer some questions to check how we will understand the story. This activity will help students become more active and improve the conversation of the material. In this part, we will use video learning. The function of the video to show the story visually helps students understand the plot more easily and make the learning process more interesting. The video is also connected to the material because it presents the story in a visual way, help students follow the plot clearly and keep them engaged during the lesson. It also helps students remember the story better they can both see and hear the information. In addition, video can make abstract part of the story easier to understand by showing clear action and expression. It also super different learning style, especially for students who learn better the visual and audio materials overall. Using video makes the lesson more dynamic and helps students stay confused from beginning to the end. In conclusion, narrative text helps students understanding stories, including the characters, plot, and structure. Using video can improve student comprehension because they can see the story more clearly and stay more engaged. The learning activity also helps students develop their skill through reading, discussing, and answering questions. Finally, assessment is important to show student progress and understanding of the materials and to help the teacher know what needs to be improved. Overall, these steps work together to create a more effective and enjoyable learning experience for students. In the end, students are expected to be more confident in understanding and explaining the story in their own words. This also supports students in building their communication skill and expressing their ideas more clearly. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.